Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to find a draft video on TikTok that you created. So to start with, on this video I'm just gonna create a quick TikTok to show you. And now we have the video here. I'm just gonna save it as a draft by clicking next and click drafts at the bottom left. And now you can see at the top right under where it says friends, there was just a little icon that said save to drafts. So now you go to your profile and you can see here, I've just posted a picture for to show you that this is my feed. So in the middle section, you go all the way to the left button, and that's basically your TikTok feed with your published videos or pictures. But you also have this little section that says drafts and then semicolon 2. So that means I have 2 drafts. So I click there and now I can see all of my drafted videos. And now I just click on the video that I want to edit, which is going to be the recent one here. And this is basically my draft. And now to edit the video, up in the top right corner, you can see there's a little wheel for settings, but I want to click on the section right on, or the symbol right under that here. And now you can add more videos and edit your draft as you please. And that is basically how you find and edit your draft on TikTok.